نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى إن هدى الله هو الهدى وقال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم خيركم من تعلم القرآن وعلمه. Is my sound okay? Is the voice good, loud enough?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah, Alhamdulillah.
So we just want to stop for a quick second on this one. وقال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم خيركم من تعلم القرآن وعلمه. So this is one of the hadith which is our mission statement for this class, that we want to follow this hadith. And according to this hadith, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that the best among you is the one who learns the Quran and teaches it, right? So we want to remind and refresh and review this hadith and this intention so that our morale stay high and we are in the best of intentions to continue our effort. Yeah. So do we need to remind ourselves about this? Especially when we are 1 month away from the month of Ramadan, which is the month of the Quran, right? So I just want to quickly check if we've been talking about memorizing the Quran. So if any one of you have started it, that's great. If not, then we still have a chance while we're alive to do that, inshallah. Okay, so are we ready to do that, inshallah?
Inshallah.
Okay, so Sadaqallahu al-Azim wa Sadaqa Rasuluhul Kareem. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Allahumma arhimni bil Quran al-Azim waj'alhu li imaman wa nuran wa hudan wa rahma waj'alhu li hujjatan ya rabbil alamin. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tammim bil khair. Ameen. Ya Rabbil We learned last time that there are 17 prepositions. However, in the Quran, 10 of them are the most frequently used prepositions. So you don't need to know all 17, but if you know 10 plus, and you know that these are the one which is the mainstream preposition which are widely used in the Quran, then you are in good shape. And last time, most of the examples we looked at were the singular nouns. Yeah. So in the singular noun, we know the status of a noun after a preposition is supposed to be in the status of jar, right? So how do we know the status of jar in a singular noun? We look at the last letter and we look at the haraka. If it's kasra or kasratan, we know that it is in the status of jar. Agree?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So, but today, inshallah, we will get to know how to find out in a dual and how to find out in a plural, right? So look at these examples, and you may not know the Arabic enough, but the translation is given on the left, and our focus is on the preposition. Yeah. So if I take my pointer, so the first preposition we're looking at is ala. Yes. At-ta'iru alal ghusni. The bird is on the branch. So ala is a preposition, yes?
Yeah.
So ghusni is a noun. And we know that after ala, we are most likely going to look at a noun. And that noun, we know that there is a al here, and it is a singular noun. So the kasra is telling me that this is a jar. Yeah. Fatimatu zahibatun ilas suki. So again, the preposition here is ala, and a suki is the market. Is it also al here?
Yeah.
And it's singular. So
Yeah.
look at the kasra right there. So Fatima is going to the market. Al maktabu minal khashabi or minal khashab. The desk is made of wood. Khashab is wood. So the actual thing we are looking at is the min. Is min a preposition?
Yeah.
Good. So al khashab is the wood, and it's a noun, and it has the al. So So singular. So the kasra is telling me this is status of jar. Okay. As-sayyaratu.
Brother Abid,
Yes.
even though it says made of, it means from the wood.
Yes.
But just to explain in English, they put made. The meaning is not made, it's from.
From. Yes, that's right. Jazakallah khair, brother Nasib. So as-sayyaratu li Zaydin. Okay. Is Zayd the proper name?
Yeah.
So it is a noun, right?
Yeah.
And in a singular, correct? So this lam here is not the al, it's the lam-e jara. Yes.
Yeah.
And the meaning of lam here is for two reasons, two purposes. It's also meaning for and also mean belongs. What is the meaning of lam? The haruf jara lam, it has two meaning. It has for and also
Belongs to.
belongs to. So if we're gonna say the car is for Zaid, yes, but a more better information will be that the car belongs to Zaid. Yes. Okay. When you say fi sabilillah, right? Or lillahi, what is the meaning of lillahi?
In the name of Allah.
For Allah, right? But when you say lillahi ma fis samawati wa ma fil ard, so you don't say that the earth and the heavens are for Allah. You say they belong
to Allah.
See, there is a little fine, things have to pay attention to these. So the translation will be belongs to. Like the same way, Brother Nasi was saying that the min here is from, but a better word will be made of. So we don't know all the meanings of these words. We know that the mainstream meaning, which is good enough for now. As we get experience in Arabic, we will get to know more information. Okay. At-talibu fil fasli. Fasli is a classroom. So is fi harf jara?
Yes.
Okay. So the student is in the class. Is fasli singular noun? So the kasra is telling me it is in the status of
Jar.
jar. Another preposition we learned was the letter ka, which means a likeness. So Aisha tu kal kamari. Like Aisha is like the moon.
Oh,
Is kamari a singular noun?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
kasra is giving me
Yeah.
jar. Al kissatu anil amirati. Kissa is story or the story about. An is a preposition and al amirati is a feminine noun singular. But look at this. Kasra means this is
Yeah.
status of jar. Okay. Katabtu bil qalami. I wrote with the pen because the letter haruf jara here is this ba. Yes. Okay. Any questions so far? Any questions so far?
no, thank you.
Okay.
Alhamdulillah.
Today Sister Uneza is also missing. Can somebody ping her? And Brother Faiz is missing by default also because they're both from the same family. Brother Khalid, would you like to?
I sent a message of Brother
Oh.
Face.
No worries. Okay. Jazakallah
Yeah.
khair.
I didn't
Okay.
get respond yet.
No worries, inshallah. So in these examples, this an, the ka, the ka, fi, the li or lam, the letter ba, min, ila, ala, they're all what? Prepositions. And these are the one which are the most prevalent. These are the mainstream prepositions, right? So, and they're saying that whenever the preposition is going to follow or come before a noun, he will take it in the status of
Yeah.
jar. And in singular, that will be kasra.
That's it.
Yes. And that is why they call majroor bil kasra. Majroor bil kasra. When something is in the status of jar, it is known as is majroor. Yes. And majroor because of what? Bil kasra. Kasra means the haraka. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So then look at some more examples of ala, right? So Zaidun jalisun alal ardi. Zaid is sitting on the ground. So ala is a preposition, ardi, status of jar because of kasra. Al kutubu alar raffi. The Rafi is a shelf. So the books are on the shelf.
Shelf.
What is the preposition here? Ala.
Ala.
Yes? Okay. Over here, ila, towards, at, to, all. Okay? Or till. So this ila has these many meanings. Towards, at, to, till. Ghasaltu al-yada ilayil mirfaqi. Mirfaqi. Meaning mirfaqi is the elbow. So ghasaltu mean ghusl karne ko kya kehte hain? What is ghusl? Ghusl mean when you take a shower, right?
Yeah.
Or you wash yourself. So ghasaltu, I wash the arm, yad is the arm, till the elbow. So see, the word till is here. And it is using Zaidun nazirun ila samai. Zaid is watching, looking at the sky. See? So also from the min, it means from, of, since, then. Yes? So Salimun raji'un minal qaryati. The Salim is returning from the village. So the question is, which is the preposition? The min, and Karya is in the status of jar. Al-burtaqalu minal fawakihi. The orange is among the fruits. Fawakihi is fruits. Yes? So min, and here is the kasra. As-sunduku minal hadid. The trunk is made of iron. Sunduk is like a suitcase, right? In our countries, we have these suitcases made out of iron. Yes?
Yeah.
Khalidun akbaru minas salim. Over here, the min is then. You see? Akbar, Khalid is bigger than Salim. Yes? Akbar is bigger. Yes? Al-kittatu, kitta is the cat.
Cat.
Asgharu minal kalbi. That the cat is smaller than the dog. Okay, so the letter lam. Okay. And it is for, as I explained earlier, and also to show the belonging. So when you say Alhamdulillah, you say all praise is for Allah. Yes. And when you say Qultu li Zaydin, I said to Zayd. Okay, over here they don't stick to the exactly same example, but it's there. Al farasu li Khalidin. Faras is a horse, right? So the horse is for Khalid, is okay, but it's more better will be belongs to Khalid. Yes. Over here, the letter lam is in the meaning of belonging to. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Then we have in, which is fi. Yes. So al waladu fil ghurfati. The boy is in the room. Fil ghurfa is the preposition, and the ghurfa is the noun and is singular, and it is kasra. Al aqlamu fid durji. The pens are in the drawer, right? So over here again, the thing we are looking for is fi and singular noun. So it is easy because we know that the kasra will give us the needed status. Okay, the kaf. This one is for kaf tashbiha. What is the meaning tashbiha? For comparison. What is it?
Comparison.
Tashbiha. Okay. At-ta'imu shakiru kassaimis sabiri. The thankful eater is like the patient faster. This kal mean this. Remember, this will make more sense to you. Zaidun kal asadi. Zaid is like a lion. What are we making here? We're making the comparison of Zaid with the lion. Now, what is the one thing we know about lion? That lion is a brave animal. He is the king of the jungle. Yes? So when we talk about, we want to give an example of a brave person, we say he's a lion. Yes? Mm-hmm. Okay. So the next one is an, and you have from, about. Sa'altu anil muallimati. I asked about the teacher. Sa'altu. Sa'altu is from sawal. Remember? Sa'ala, sa'il. that is somebody who's asking, right? Al masjidu ba'idun anil bayti. Ba'id mean far. Yes. So the mosque is far from the house. Got it? Okay, good. The letter ba over here, this one is in, with, at, on, etc. So you say Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So this letter ba, next time when you're saying Bismillah, you know that this letter ba is the harf jara. Okay. And this ismi, meaning ism, right? Ism is what?
Name.
So you say in the name of Allah. Sometimes you say with the name of Allah. Yes.
Yes.
So this is where next time you know that this letter ba is the huruf jara or harf jar, and this ismi is in the status of jar because of this letter ba. And look, ismi is jar, Allah is jar, ar-Rahman is jar, ar-Rahim is jar. Did you pay attention to that part? And these are all nouns, yes?
Yes.
Very good job. So now more and more information comes to your attention.
Brother.
Brother Faiz will be joining shortly.
Okay. Yes, Sister Homa.
Yeah. Salam alaikum.
Welcome, salam.
So if harf jariya comes at the first noun, all other nouns after that will will become a jar, correct?
If they are part of the same context and same group, yes, they would have to follow the jar status. Yeah.
All right.
But if the sentence changes, then it will not follow it. But as long as in this one, for example, we know that it is all one thing, right? Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, right? So in this case, yes, exactly. But if there is a longer sentence and it starts talking about something else, then we have to look at it again and see what belongs to what, right?
Sure. Thank you.
Alhamdulillah. So akaltu bil mil aqati, right? Maybe mil aqati. I ate with the spoon. So this word is a spoon, and the letter over here is we're looking for the letter ba. Zaidun bil masjidi. So if you want to say Zaid is in the masjid, you are going to say, you can also say Zaidun fil masjidi, fi, because in fi is there, and bil masjidi is also acceptable. Yeah.